My name is Brittany, well, virtual Brittany, and if you have any questions, make sure to ask actual Brittany who is in the room. I hope that you're really enjoying your TPACK event. I'm going to give you just a quick look through for screencasting ideas as well as a screencast tutorial. Let's get started. So what can you use Screencast? A lot of people just go straight to the tutorial ideas to think, oh, I'm going to show someone how to use technology through screencasting. It's a great idea, but there's a lot of other uses for screencasting too. You can use it for presentations like I'm doing for this, or you can use it for marketing, different ideas, even tutoring. You can do a bunch of things with Screencast-O-matic. Don't be afraid to be creative. Now that we've talked about screencasting, I'm going to give you a little look into Screencast-O-matic, the tool that we're going to be using. I'm now going to transition into the other Brittany who is going to show you the Screencast-O-matic tool. Thank you, Brittany, for that lovely introduction. As she said, I'm going to provide a quick tutorial in Screencast-O-matic. You can follow along now, but you can also view the video through a link on the wiki. Once you're ready, go to Screencast-O-matic.com and go to Start Recording. If this is your first time to the site, it's going to ask you to download Java or to run the Java applet on your Mac. Allow it to run. And then once it's done downloading, it's going to launch the web tool, and then we can get started. There we go. So once you're ready, you can start moving this around. You can size it to whatever screen that you want to view. You can also do set sizes as well as full screen. It's going to download automatically to HD, so you don't have to click the HD in order to get it. You can run a quick test on your microphone, make sure you're going to be heard. Turn on the microphone, turn on your video camera, and then you hit the red button to record. So once you're ready, it's going to give you a quick countdown, and then you can begin. So you can click around, you can go to different web pages, you can do whatever it is you would like to do. And then just make sure all your recording is within the red box and don't do anything outside because your viewers aren't going to be able to see what you're doing. Once you're done, you can click Done. You can preview your video. So you can click around, you can go to different. And once you decide that you really like it, you can go upload it to Screencast-O-matic, upload it to YouTube, or download it as a file on your computer. I'll be talking a little bit more about downloading later, but for right now, I'm going to show you how to upload to Screencast-O-matic for our session. First, we must log into the site or register. It's real quick and easy, just 4 questions. When you are done, it's going to bring you back to this page. Go to Publish, and now you can name your screencast. You can add notes if you have anything to add to the video other than your description. You can add captions that'll add to the video, or you can turn off your audio or video if you decide that you didn't like the recording. This is more for privacy settings. If you want it to make it a very private video that only be viewable with for someone with a link, you can do these choices and you can upload to Screencast-O-matic when you are ready. You're going to have additional options once we're on the screen page. Sometimes it takes a minute to download. All right, we are all done. Click on the link. It's going to bring you to your Screencast-O-matic page. You can edit the title again if you decide that you want to go with something different, as well as change some of the settings in the video. And once it starts playing, I will show you. So you can click around, you can go to different web pages, you can do whatever it is you would like to do. Notice that you can turn off your halo or clicks or cursor, so if you want to make it where you can't see the halo that's shown, the little circles, or to take away that it goes blue and shows you where you're clicking, you can do that. but it really helps your viewer to be able to see your mouse if it's encircled in the halo. It just makes it an easier tutorial to follow. So that's something to keep in mind if you want to add notes or add a comment. For our purposes, this is how you share the link. So we're going to be sharing it on the wiki site. So if you copy this and bring it to the page, that's how we're going to be able to view each other's. If you ever want to embed one of these videos in a web page, you get your embed code and you can choose the size, as well as change the settings here. Once you're done, you can put it onto the wiki space, but I'm going to show you how to download the files onto your computer. So if you go back, I suggest downloading it as an AVI file. It's recorded in HD, but not all the files will download to HD, so to be able to view your video on HD outside of the program, download it as an AVI. And then if you want to add any notes, and you have some extra options, so you can take away the clicks or the cursor here. And once you're done, you save your video to a file on your computer. That's all for the tutorial. I'm going to give it back to the other Brittany to finish us out. Thank you, Brittany, for that lovely tutorial. Now that we know a little bit more about Screencast-O-matic, as well as some ideas for use, it's now your turn to practice with the tool and start building your own screencast. I'm going to turn it over to the real Brittany for more instructions. Have fun!